Hey, Dylan and team, you guys said to be your true authentic self. So this is me, Crystal Nichols, and I am sitting in the Dallas Love Field Airport. I'm headed to Orlando, Florida for a work conference. And all I can think about is how I really want to be home with my babies right now. I'd rather be home working on my Etsy shop, getting things optimized and marketing through the Facebook groups and getting making sure alt text is on all of my photos. You have absolutely no idea how much I've learned in this program, and I'm gonna try not to cry. But I want to be home with my kids, and I have a good job, but
Ladies and gentlemen, for those passengers on flight
um
1142 going to
I
Nashville,
want
any
to
other children
switch
crossing
that
the
out with
Atlantic
my
Ocean.
my Etsy
Many
store.
would
I would
like to
love for
keep
my
your
Etsy
walker with
store
you
to
so that
be
you have
my
after the destination tag
my
is found.
my
See its
my
place.
income, my
You
source
will
of
stop
income
holding the whole menu.
for myself and for my job, just so I can be at home and I can focus on it and I can always be there for my kids. I love the opportunity to take them home to school, to pick them up from school, to be there to eat lunch with them and all the things, but I can't this week because I'm gone. Um, I I did not know what I know now going into Etsy. I previously had a shop that I had closed down. I had over 4,000 sales, 4,527 to be exact. And so I had closed that down. And then I was like, you know what? I want to do this again. And then I discovered Dylan on, I believe it was Instagram. And I started looking at her YouTubes and I was just like, okay, I love her for one. And I wanted to just dive into it. So I invested in the program. I have learned so much. So I'm rebuilding a an Etsy store right now, and I have now that I know my profitable customer, I have like 3 other stores that I want to invest my time and money and just dive into those stores. But Dylan, my stats right now is that I'm beginning, and I had previous coaching and then I had a job switch. And so I was with Coach Jen for a little bit there. Dylan, even if the opportunity doesn't come my way to have free coaching, I want to say thank you for this program. Um, I was not a person that persevered. I was not a person that stuck with something. If it didn't happen immediately, I'm like, okay, I'm out. And I have to realize this is not a microwave. I am sitting in a wood brick oven, waiting to cook a big lasagna, and it's going to take a little bit. So I just want to thank you and your team for everything that you guys have provided. And yeah, this is the authentic Crystal. Thanks, guys. Have a good day.